Omnisend is a comprehensive email marketing platform designed to enhance your e-commerce marketing efforts. Here's a concise guide to getting started. Sign up. Visit Omnisend's website and create an account. They offer a free plan suitable for beginners. Import contacts. Navigate to the audience section to upload your existing email list. You can import contacts via CSV files or integrate with your e-commerce platform for seamless synchronization. Create an email campaign. Go to the Campaigns tab and click Create Campaign. Choose an email template from Omnisend's library or design your own using the drag and drop editor. Customize the content to align with your brand, including text, images, and call to action buttons. Set up automation. Utilize Omnisend's automation features to create workflows for welcome emails, cart abandonment reminders, and order confirmations. This ensures timely and relevant communication with your customers. Segment your audience. Use segmentation to target specific groups within your audience based on behavior, purchase history, or demographics. This allows for personalized and effective email campaigns. Analyze performance. After sending campaigns, monitor their performance through Omnisend's analytics dashboard. Track metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions to refine your strategies.